hospitality industry. As you know, all of us are in the middle of crisis where a lot of hotels are either closing off or they are laying off the people. So there is a lot of bad news, so to say. But I don't want to share the bad news too much. Don't want to focus on bad news too much. What I want to share today is what are the positive trends that I see or we see as a hotelier in the hospitality industry for a coming time. So some trends that, as you know, are coming around is like the hotels are now focusing on health and safety, hygiene. So we see there is an increasing demand for hygiene managers, hygiene specialists who can showcase the skills that they can create a safe environment. The those who can maintain the processes, those who can check the things in the hotel, create the safe environment for guests, and create the trust in the organizations. Hotels would be looking off to showcase their processes to the general public, and as well as they're gonna be showing off the things that what they are doing. So they need proper processes. But once you set up the process, there also somebody needs to be who is going to maintain the process, who is going to make sure that yes, the processes are continuing and peoples are using it on a safe basis, so that peoples are continuing to hotels are continuing to use those experiences. That's why there will be definitely a need for hygiene managers, sanitation managers, trainers, because there will be a lot of training that would be required on the peoples. So that is something, one trend that we see in the coming hospitality industry. Then there is a lot of efforts and a lot of focus that is being put on health and wellness. We know people are now under stress. We are locked down. We are not able to travel. The international travel is stopped at this point of time. So it means that peoples would be needed to de-stress themselves once the hospitality is opening up again. They will be focusing more on health. They will be preparing more on wellness of their. It boosts the immunity so that they can stay safe when the crisis is either there is another crisis or the changes in lifestyle are also happening at the same time. So definitely there is a need for skills, peoples who can focus on health, wellness, create healthy menus, create needs of the peoples, understand personality, understand immunity, understand nutrition, understand the wellness, the physical wellness, the mental wellness of the peoples. So those experiences, since the hospitality is going to focus, those would be under the new trend. The third trend that I see now at this point of time is the traditional marketing may not find its way in a way that has been used, like advertisements or traditional door-to-door sales, B2B sales, or to the travel agents, because people might be using more on online bookings, because they are either traveling local, so they're going to look for the experiences online. So there will be a lot of demand which I see for content marketers, for those who create the content for people's for digital marketing, to put the pictures on the social media, what you are doing, creating the stories, those kind of skills that would be needed. So it's not only those that will be a job of the hospitality marketing peoples only. It will also be a responsibility of operations, of the guest experience, of the experience managers, of the front office staff, of the kitchen, of the chef. Because if they don't understand what kind of content is going to be going to be in the trend, or what kind of trend, what kind of content attracts the people, they will not be able to create menus, they will not be able to create experiences around those contents to be able to generate that kind of content. Because marketers, no matter how good marketers they are, if they don't understand the hospitality, the services, the processes, as the operation peoples understand day in day out, they will not be able to create effective content. So there will be a lot of need for the skill based content marketers, definitely, who have a deep experience on operations, front office, guest experiences, so that they can create appropriate content to show on the social media, on the LinkedIn, on the digital marketing space. There will be a need, and at this point of time, the small hotels, they don't have enough footprint on social media, they don't have enough, probably not good enough websites, they may not have the good pictures on the OTAs or other things. So if these small brands, independent hotels, need to compete with the established brands or chains, they need to step up their game by putting up more content online, creative content, which is required to be consumed by their target audience. So there will be a need for those small hotels, independent hotels, to have a content marketer. It can be a outsourced content marketer, or it can be an in-house content marketer. But there definitely will be more and more need of quality content marketers, or those digital marketers in coming needs. The fourth trend that I see at this point of time is again the guest experiences. People's gonna not gonna travel for just for the sake of traveling. Traditionally, people travel to gain the experiences, to gain local experiences. And with this, when they are now strapped for nearly 4 5 months, 6 months from traveling, they definitely, whenever the travel opens, they will be looking for local experiences, they will be exploring the nature, they will be exploring the community tourism, to get in touch with the nature again, to get in touch with the community again. So hotels, whether it's a branded hotel or it's an independent hotel, if they don't have guest experience manager who can create the experiences for the peoples, who can create the environment for the guests to enjoy, to become a part of, like maybe a tour operator, can be a tour guide, can be a experience manager, can be an adventure manager, can be an activity manager at the resort or at your hotel, whether it's a small hotel or a big hotel. Businesses, even the business peoples or the leisure travelers, peoples would be looking for experiential traveling. They would be looking for experiences. So the hotels need to have someone who is either and create who is creating the experiences, who is implementing the experiences, and also the delivering the experiences. So it may not be the additional manning that is required, but since we know the hotels are going to choose how many people they're going to keep on board and who are they going to keep on board. So hotels would be keeping the people who have these trending skills, which are going to help them gain the business or maintain the customer loyalty in the future. So that is fourth trend. The last and fifth trend that I see at this point of time is sustainability and CSR. uh, we have been talking about sustainability for a long period of time in hospitality industry, and unfortunately, at this point of time, most of the hotels just do it for the show, that okay, yes, we are sustainable, but not really inculcate that into the guest experiences, except a few brands, few chains that really take the sustainability and CSR in a very serious fashion. But most of the hotel chains, independent hotel chains especially, they don't really care about the environment, care about the sustainability, care about the social responsibility, community around them. With this pandemic or the crisis, peoples are now, I hope, going to be more responsible for their nature, because this natural disaster kind of. So people definitely would be putting more focus on sustainable travel, responsible business, less pollution, experiences, community health. So those kind of experiences